welcome back to Kai Dragon Garden and Cooking. We have another discussion we're going to show about this wonderful tool. This is a soil loosening tool that you use for like raised beds, or you can use it on the ground. It's a nifty little pitchfork, and it has a place for you to stand on. And how it works, as mindful as my assistant here wants to make sure I'm doing everything correctly. Ain't that right, little assistant? Yeah, ain't that right? Yeah. So how this works is you would step on it, push down, and then you'd work the soil, and then you'd bring it up. And what you're doing is loosening this soil to help aerate it, to also be able to add new compost to it, because every year this soil is going to get harder and harder, and your goal is to make sure that your plants are well aerated at the roots. This is also a great way to work in your old straw. This is a great way to work in soil or fertilizer. Anything you can think of. In fact, we have eggshells here, and we can work these into the soil as well. And you can get this tool on Amazon as well. And I'll make sure we keep our tags. Always keep your tags. They're always really handy. And then, as you can see, the soil is already loosening. And this also is great for pulling up your old roots that you may not have caught. This is great for just pretty much all around. It's a really handy tool. I definitely like this. And this is courtesy of my mom, Ann, who found this tool on Amazon. She thought, hey, let's try this out. And this works out really great. And as you can see, we're just loosening the soil. And this is for if it's really rock hard, to help get in there. But our soil's pretty loose still. And then just rake it a few times, get all smoothed out, and then go back to like the planting tools that I showed in some previous videos, the square or the seed tool, and go from there. So that's everything today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tools, ideas, planning, and a lot of action-packed gardening that we're going to have this year. Peace.